In this lesson, you will learn how to create a purchase PO. There are two ways to create a purchase PO in Flex. The first way is to create one from scratch. You can do this by clicking on the New menu in the top right corner, then clicking New Purchase PO. Give the PO a name, then enter an order by date and time and a need by date and time. Enter the vendor name in the vendor field. Remember, you can do this by either clicking on the binoculars icon and searching, or by beginning to type a name, then selecting from the suggestions drop-down. You can either choose a company or a specific contact that works for the company. The Ship To field is generally your warehouse or office location, but you could also select a job site if you need the item delivered during a job. Click Accept and the purchase PO will be created. To add an item to the PO, drag and drop it from the inventory tree. If this is a PO for an item that you do not yet own, then we recommend creating a new inventory item for it, then dragging and dropping it into the PO. Then, when you receive the items on the PO, you will already have the inventory record created. You can manually change the cost to reflect the purchase price of the item. You can also see that most of the tools that are available to you when building a quote are also available when building a purchase PO. Once you have added the items that you need to purchase, you can submit the purchase PO for approval. An email template will be sent to your choice of Flex users. Typically, this will be whoever is in charge of approving purchases. Then, whoever is in charge of approving purchases can open the PO and either approve or reject the PO. Once the purchase PO is approved, then it can be sent to the vendor. An email will be sent to the chosen vendor with a PDF copy of the purchase PO. The second way that you can create a purchase PO is by creating one as a result of a shortage in a quote. Remember from the lesson Add Subrental and Purchase Suppliers that you can add supplier information to each inventory item in your system. For this item, we've added a purchase supplier with a lead time of 1 day and a cost of $7,000. Now this information can be generated into a purchase PO directly from the quote. If we add the item and create a conflict, we can open the Conflicts and Availability window and find the supplier information. If we double-click on the purchase supplier information, the conflict will be resolved, and a purchase PO will automatically be created as a child item to the quote. The Ship To field defaulted to the venue that was entered on the quote, but that can be changed by double-clicking inside the Ship To box. You can adjust the price if needed, then go through the approval and send to client process. If you have any questions about creating a purchase PO, please email support@flexrentalsolutions.com.